Hey guys, welcome to On Updating Masculinity,
where we're all about self-improvement and becoming the best version of ourselves. Today, we've got a game-changing topic, which is looksmaxing. Looksmaxing is the process of improving and maximizing one's appearance in any way possible. It is the art and science of improving your physical appearance in order to realize your full potential. In a world where first impressions are everything, LOOKSMAX is like filling in the gaps in your appearance. Money is crucial in this journey. You will need money to invest in nutrition, useful products, gym memberships, and so on. Its other demand is time. It will take time and effort to achieve the desired results. It will not happen on a night. Alternatively, it takes time, so be patient. Last but not least, there is your mind. As the saying goes, mindset is everything. A positive mindset will help you achieve your goals. We will divide our looksmaxing journey in 3 levels: basic, intermediate, and advanced. Let's begin with our basic level. First thing first, we have skincare. Develop a skincare routine that suits your skin type. Stay hydrated to keep your skin looking healthy. Consider consulting a dermatologist for specific skin concerns. Use sunscreen to protect your skin from harmful UV rays. Maintain a balanced diet with a focus on nutritious foods. We aren't nutritionists, so for that, you should consult your nutritionist. But we will advise you to add proteins and vegetables to your diet in adequate proportions. Regular exercise can help improve your overall health and physique, and soon you will observe brilliant results. Get enough sleep to ensure you look and feel your best. Avoid much screen time and leave your digital devices half an hour before bed. Next, we add dental care. Practice good oral hygiene by brushing and flossing regularly. Consider orthodontic work, such as braces if needed. Teeth whitening can enhance your smile. Okay, so far we have considered basic level. It's time for intermediate approach of looksmaxing. It includes hair care. Find a hairstyle that complements your facial features and select a killer haircut. Ask for your barber to assist you in finding the hairstyle that will make you attractive. After that, follow hair care routines. Keep your hair clean and well groomed. Next, we add fashion. Wear clothes that fit well and flatter your body shape. Clothing style will add stars to your personality, so be wise while selecting outfits for yourself. Stay updated with current fashion trends and choose styles that make you feel confident. Accessorize appropriately to enhance your overall look. Experiment with different styles to find what suits you best. Another important point of concern at this level is grooming. Maintain good personal hygiene, including regular showers. Keep facial hair groomed or shaved based on your preference. Pay attention to details like nails and overall cleanliness. Okay, now we move to the advanced level. Here we have different skills based on our behavior. Confidence and body language. Work on your self-confidence, as it plays a significant role in attractiveness. Practice good posture and body language to appear more confident. Social skills. Develop strong communication skills and be a good listener. Cultivate a positive attitude and approach social interactions with respect. Mental well-being. Take care of your mental health by managing stress and seeking support when needed. Address any negative thought patterns that may impact your self-image. As we wrap up this comprehensive guide to looksmaxing, remember that transformation is a journey requiring dedication, time, and the right mindset. Bookmark this guide, share it with friends seeking self-improvement, and comment below with your tips and experiences. Becoming the responsible alpha male of society involves consistent efforts in grooming, style, and confidence. Your journey to maximize your potential is unique. Embrace it. Thank you for joining us on this transformative adventure.